student asked me to get this cheese slicer kit. It's a Woodcraft product, but I got it on Amazon. We'll go ahead and make a cutting board with it, and I'll try and show you how it works out. So we have the cheese slicer large kit here. So here's the directions. We're doing the large board layout. We're actually using a doweling jig to center it on there, and then over to the drill press. So we have a vise to hold it perpendicular, and then there's our doweling jig. All right, well that's drilled. So on our Makita, it's a 95 thou kerf blade. The table saw is 125. It's still a thinner kerf, using the dado setting on it. Yeah. Is that how it locks?
And then you need to tighten it with the screw and hold it in
That
place.
screw right there?
Yeah. But it's like
that more.
all the way down.
So you cut away from yourself.
Yeah.
Actually, we got this thing on there backwards. So we'll move that hole up to this side. It's a right-hand slicer. Now we have a left-hand, right-handed setup.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how that works. Right-handed. Put a slice of Gouda on there. Cut it off. Ready to go. Beautiful.